Okay, so what is actually inside of this course? So no, it's not made out of motivational speeches and literally fluff things you can find on the internet. Not at all. So this course is made in a very technical and step-by-step process where I literally treat you as a friend, as if you were sitting right here, okay? Looking at the screens, and I can literally show you the websites, the tools, the softwares I use for my personal trading day-to-day basis. I don't only show you and teach you about support and resistance, trend lines, etc. because this is not where the value is, okay? I literally share with you my trading plan, my strategies that you can see in a transparent way. Now also throughout the program, you'll be able to access a private members group with literally all the traders I've trained in the past. So you will be first of all able to ask me any question during the program so I can assist you, and also be able to share your experience with all the different traders and also network. Now I have been actively training traders for the past year now, and I'm super happy, super pumped up with the results I've managed to get. Here are just a few testimonials and reviews about this program. I mean, to give you an idea, here are just a few things that we cover in the program. So we firstly go over all the Forex trading basics and needs, so I can literally assist you through getting a good broker, finding a good platform, etc. I really want you to have the who, why, where and how. Then I show you how to read and understand charts, so you really have a deep understanding of everything we do for the rest of the course. Then we do go over actual analysis, so we look at technical analysis, fundamental analysis, multi-time frame analysis, data releases and news. Now at this point, it's where we get to the sexy stuff, which is actually requirements to enter a trade, so the actual trading plan, setting your stop losses and targets in a very smart way, and also managing your trades through. We look at position sizing combined with risk to reward ratios, which is something that so many traders actually get wrong, probably 90% of traders. Then we dive deeply into risk management, where we look at drawdown management, risk exposure and hedging. And no, it's not your average 1% per trade, okay? We really go deeply into that risk management subject. Then you'll have access to a full section about psychology, where I really give you valuable, practical information that you can implement to your personal trading. Now, towards the end of this program, I actually show you how to find a balance between your lifestyle and your trading, and also how to journal your trades, so how to literally keep records. You will also be able to download some Excel sheets I made about literally keeping track of your performance and having a portfolio. And I end this program by really showing you where the big money is made in Forex trading and where I personally made my money. So I do add some bonus videos from time to time. The latest one was about add-ins, so literally adding a trade to your original trade to increase profits. So the goal of this course is really to connect all the dots, whether you are a beginner or an advanced trader, and really show you the path of a successful, profitable and consistent trader. I haven't tried to make this course 100 hours long just to tell you it's 100 hours long. Literally, there is no theories, there's no fluff in the program. Everything is made in a practical and straightforward way to make it as easy as possible for you to follow. So if you are interested, you can go ahead and purchase this course on this page where you'll have immediate access to it, and we'll be able to dive in straight away to the good stuff. So I hope to see you inside.